Good morning, students. Last class we discussed about PPF, and we know that it is a downward sloping curve as well as it is concave in shape. So, today we will see if there is a possibility of PPF being a straight line that I have just made here. A to B, it is a straight line. So, what is the possibility? How it can be that a PPF curve is not concave but it is a straight line? Students, this is possible when the marginal rate of transformation is constant. In the previous class, we discussed MRT, that is marginal rate of transformation. A quick recap, what is MRT? It is the unit sacrifice divided by units gained. So, we sacrificed guns in the example yesterday. So, change in guns upon change in butter, units sacrificed upon units gained. So, we got MRT, marginal rate of transformation. So, we are saying that when the sacrifice is equal to the gain, each time when we are sacrificing, we are increasing one additional unit of x, we are sacrificing an additional unit of y, only one unit of y. So let's see it further. Now, in this particular graph, which I have already shown you, there are points now 1, 2, 3, 4. Good x, each time we are increasing 1 unit of good x. So, what is the sacrifice every time? See, when we are moving from 2.1, we are moving from 4 to 3. 1 unit of gain and 1 unit of sacrifice. When you are moving from point 1 to 2 on the x-axis, there is 1 unit additional unit that is gained. We are sacrificing 3 to 2. That is, we are sacrificing 1 unit, we are gaining 1 unit. Again, from 2 to 3 on the x-axis, we are moving forward, and on the y-axis from 2 to 1 we are sacrificing. So every additional unit, one additional unit we are gaining, we are only sacrificing 1 unit. This was not the case in concave shape. There we were gaining only additional unit, but we were sacrificing more and more. MRT was increasing, but in this case MRT, if you see, it remains constant. It is not increasing. That is why this is a straight line. Next situation that I will discuss with you, when PPF is a convex curve. If you see from A to B, we are looking at a convex shape. So, what is the possibility when PPF is convex to the origin? The possibility is yes, MRT is actually falling. MRT is actually decreasing. Let's see how it is decreasing. Yes, students, if you see here, the convex shape of PPF, reason being MRT is falling. That is, the sacrifice is decreasing. If you see, we are gaining each additional unit from 1 to 2, 2 to 3. Every time the sacrifice, if you see on the y-axis, the gap is decreasing. So the sacrifice is slowly decreasing. What does it show? It shows us that MRT is actually decreasing, and less units of the commodity is every time sacrificed to gain an additional unit of a commodity. Always remember these two situations exist, PPF being a straight line or convex. Okay? But actually in real life situation these two things don't arise, and we are having a PPF which is concave shape. So these are some imaginary situations that we try to understand where PPF can be a convex or it can be a straight line. Thank you.